Hello and welcome to the first Mio video entitled How to Install My Maps. This model will be using a Mio Spirit 687. Step 1. Install and update the MioMore desktop software. Firstly, you need to install the MioMore desktop software that's provided on the DVD in the box. Insert the DVD, click on Start, go to My Computer, double-click on the DVD drive. Double-click on the file, install.exe. You will now get the language selection. We've chosen English UK. Click on the flag, click on Install Software, and click on Install MioMore Desktop. There'll be a slight pause before the software starts up. You will now then be presented with the license agreement. Please check this, tick the box, and click the Next button. Click Next, and then you'll be asked where you want to select the maps. Make sure it says Documents and Settings, your username, My Documents, My Maps. Click Next. The software will now install. When it's finished, click Finish, and the MioMore desktop will automatically start. When the desktop starts up, you'll be presented with a large number of tabs on the side. Now connect the device and make sure it's turned on. If there's any updates available, you'll get a pop-up as so. Click on Download to download the update. Here we've got an update for the MioMore desktop software, which will download and then automatically start the installation process. Select the language, English. Accept the license agreement by ticking the box and click Next. Again, on the map location screen, make sure it's set to Documents and Settings, your username, My Documents, My Maps. The installation, click Next, and the installation will now start. When finished, click Finish for the MioMore desktop to now restart. Now to download the new map data. Go to the email that you received upon purchasing the map update. In it you will have a link for the web update user manual. You will be asked to select your device. In this case, we have a Spirit 687. The link we need in the English format to download the new maps is on page 5. Here, simply click on the link to open the download box. Here, select Save, and the location must be My Documents, My Maps folder. This is an important step. The file must be saved in My Documents, My Maps. When the download's complete, just click Close. Now we can return to the Miamore desktop. On to step 3, removing the maps. Click on My Maps, tick the Europe box, and then click Remove Maps at the bottom. This will remove all the maps from your device. Step 4. Activate and install your maps. Now go back to the original email and you'll be presented with your activation key. You can type this in or you can just copy and paste. Once you're in the Miamore desktop, click on Unlock Features, enter the key and click Continue. The system will check the key, check your Mio device, and then generate the license files necessary. Once it's generated the correct keys, the license files will then be downloaded onto your device. When your product's been successfully registered, click Finish. Now, back in the Miamore desktop, click on My Map. On the left hand side you will see the maps you downloaded earlier. Click Open next to them, tick the Europe box to select the new maps and click Install Maps. The new maps will now be installed onto your Mio device. When finished, click Close. And you can see now the updated maps have been installed on the device and are showing on the right hand side. You can close the desktop and that's it, all updated.